Well, here we go again. Alright guys, so welcome back to Vlogmas day, I don't know, 7, 8, something like that. I don't really know. But today we are headed down to an event. So we're doing an event with Kiss Lashes, which is like really exciting. I'm getting a blowout today, and I just kind of thought, like, I feel like this is, Kiss always puts really good events on, so I figured like this would be something you guys would like want to come to and like want to come hang out with me with. So I will just show you my makeup of the day, which is very, very simple. They're going to be applying lashes on me later, so I didn't want to do anything like too much. And then I'm getting a blowout, which I'm super excited about. Like, that's probably the most exciting thing for me because I've never had that, and it's just like, it feels just like a very luxurious experience, and I'm just excited for a luxurious experience. Other than that, I will show you my outfit of the day, and then we are gonna like head out because, well, we're still on time. So, outfit of the day. Okay, so here's the outfit of the day. I just have this really cute shirt from H&M. I actually like found it on the sale section in black, so I just bought the black one, and then I just paired it with leather legging pants. They're actually, I love these. Got these at Winners as always for everything, and then just some basic black booties, but I just went with something very just like classic, clean and simple, and I think it looks cute and all that. And then I think I'll wear this purse, and I just like that it has, you know, a nice neutral vibe to it as well. Yeah. Hi there.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey little lady, said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say. Cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. Tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you.
I was Ubering home, and I looked on Instagram, and I saw Isaac at the bar, and I was like, excuse me, where was my invite? And he was all like, but I thought you'd be at your event. And I'm like, well, I'm done my event. So we changed the Uber, and now we are here.
Hello, everyone.
Back together at last. It's only been like a couple, actually, you know what? We haven't seen each other almost
been a while.
It's been like a week.
Yeah, for us it's a while.
I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way.
Okay, so we're home. It is freezing. I just took Mel for a walk because obviously I've been away from her for a couple hours. Man, she really ran. She just goes. Like, we get to the park, I let her off leash, and she just runs, and it's like, all right, you're burning all the calories. But we are home. My friend Nicole is on her way over, so we're actually gonna make eggplant pizzas, which I love making. So I figured you guys may want to see that. It's kind of fun. So we will do that, and then I'll like wrap this up with my little, you know, like life chat moment. So let us make some food. It's okay, so eggplant pizzas are one of my favorite things to make because they're so easy to do. So literally we're just gonna start by slicing up our eggplant. So the next step in all of this is I will take an egg and crack an egg, add water, and that's gonna be your egg wash. And then I also have my breadcrumbs, which I just will sprinkle on the plate. So as I'm sure you guessed, you just take the eggplant, dip it in your wash, like so. And then I like to dip it in my breadcrumbs. Just cover it up, flip it a couple times, and we have one for the oven, which I should get an oven thing for. Pizza stone, eggplant, pizza stone, done. And then we shall continue on. Back, and Nicole's here, and I forgot I was vlogging. So, ow, oh, that's hot, right, we took that out of the oven. Well, what I'm trying to show you is that I put the sauce on the things, and now I'm putting the cheese on the things, and then it's gonna go in the oven for another couple minutes, and then they're done. So it's like, it's pretty solid. We are cheesed up. Now back into the oven for a couple minutes. That's a gross way of saying minutes. Okay. I'm a fan. Trey's excited. Trez. Yum.
Alright, hun. Have a good sleep. Get some sleep tonight.
Thank you.
Alright, night-night.
I'll talk to you later. Love you. Bye. Mwah.
Bye.
Hello, my friends. How are we? Okay, so I just want to like wrap this little vlog up. Today definitely was like not how I expected it to go. It was so lovely getting my hair done today. I've never had it done, so I was like really excited. And I know that's so like silly because like obviously you go to a hairdresser and they blow it, like they blow dry it for you and stuff, but like I don't know, it's just it's a very different experience. The vent bar is literally so luxurious and so nice. And actually, so I work and do weddings with the girl who blew out my hair, Elise, and I'll link her down below and everything, because you should definitely ask for her. But it was so nice because we never really like got to like hang out. We obviously like work together, but like you don't get to like hang out, right? And so it was nice just to kind of chat and hang out and like, you know, just enjoy human conversation. And like I had a Bailey's cappuccino. It was like so relaxing. Got my hair done. I like felt so good. And then so I think as you saw when I was like coming home in my Uber, I saw that Isaac was at the bar because he like ended work early, and I was like, oh my god, hello, where was my invite? So I messaged him and he's like, come. So I rerouted my Uber and went to meet him. And then obviously I love my time with Isaac always, so you know, we got to have a couple drinks, hang out, super nice. And I came home and then I made Nicole and I dinner because I knew Nicole was coming over tonight. It was more going to be like a quick thing, and it was like she was only here for like an hour and a half or whatever, but it's just always nice just to talk to people. But I've had like a good day, and even when I was on my Facebook Live or Instagram Live this morning, a lot of you actually were like commenting. You were like, Megan, it's so nice to see you smile. And I was like, girl, same. And there's definitely been like a lot of ups and downs, and I still want to talk about it. I still want to make like a video of how I'm feeling and how I'm dealing, because it's been now almost a month. So a lot can happen in a month. There's ups and downs, but I think I've really come to peace with the situation, and I'm not gonna say like I feel so good now, but I don't feel as terrible as I thought I would. And there's ups and downs. There's days that are better and days that are worse, but I have to say, whenever I'm surrounded by my friends who I know love me and I love them and I feel valued and respected and appreciated, it makes a world of a difference. So if you're ever feeling down, it's like you just need that like good company. Also, read this book. Gross. This book is so good. I'm actually gonna link this for you. So it's all about the adult attachment center and just how we attach to people and the different attachment systems, how they relate to each other. And so there's like avoidant personalities and anxious personalities, and it's really interesting. I've learned so much in this book, and how sometimes love can be confused for passion, because when you actually like are with someone and they kind of send you these like weird red flags, and you're just like, oh my god, you kind of like react a certain way, and then you feel like that's like love and lust and drive, when really it's just passion, because love is supposed to be a calm, beautiful thing, whereas we think love, especially in the movies, it's romanticized as this like crazy whirlwind experience. And you know, we don't need all that craziness sometimes. But anyway, this book is really good. I could actually talk about it forever. I've taught all my friends all my lessons that I've learned, but I don't want to bore you with that. But anyway, I have had a great day. I'm really excited. I'm really happy about things. Hopefully, you know, tomorrow could be a new story, but you know, one day at a time. That's the way we get through things. And thank you guys so much for hanging out, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you for Vlogmas day, whatever the next day is, because they're all blending together now, so that's fine. But I'm gonna finish my tea, read some of my book, and we are going to head to bed. Also wash my face. That's a real thing. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.